Welcome back to the Fasterproms YouTube channel. I'm here with Jeremy from Skis.
And I'm here with Liam from Auto, Drift Extraordinaire. All right, so guys, before we get the video kicked off, I wanted to remind you that any purchase of any Fasterproms merchandise, whether it's a sticker, a hat, a shirt, or anything like that, we also have bundles and stuff, any purchase whatsoever, through the end of May 31st, so the end of this month, will enter you in to win one of 2 MPVI2s from HB Tuners. It's a $400 value, and they have tons of support for all of the stuff of what they do. So check that out in the link below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So guys, we're trying to experience LS Fest. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get all of it, but this is gonna be a lot of fun. So we're gonna go hit up the Autocross. We showed you all some drifting, Burnout Competition. Leroy's actually on the dyno right now. You guys will be able to see that on Cletus's channel. This facility is absolutely insane. This is one of the largest facilities I've ever been to. If you guys ever get the chance to come out, definitely check it out. That was spicy. This guy right here is my type of style right here. This car is freaking rowdy. We've been watching this car all day, and I've been so wanting to get over to the Autocross and get a ride in this car, and I finally met up with Eric, and he's gonna give me a ride in this thing. Thanks for taking me, man.
Yeah, no worries, bud.
So tell me, you said this thing has a what motor in it?
So this is a Lingenfelter LS7, D-stroked, so pushes about 8,000 RPM.
Oh, the sound was so sick, man. It's such a good looking all around car. It looks like it's so well set up. So Eric's been hanging the rear end out on a lot of these turns there, and I was like, man, he's on the razor's edge of traction. Well, how big are the rears? You got 335s.
So this is the RideTech 48-hour Corvette. So this
oh,
is
wow.
built by RideTech. We bought it at Bear Jackson in January.
Wow.
And been tearing it up ever since.
This thing is gorgeous. It's got a lot of really nice touches. Man, I love the way it looks. So 8,000 RPM, LS7. I am so down. This is right at my alley. This is D-stroke, which is even more sick. We featured an LS7 that we had done with heads and cam and all that. We made like 620 wheel. I'm a huge LS7 fanatic, and I love what you've done here. It's well played. Can't wait to go for riding this thing out. So what kind of tire pressures you run?
We're running pretty low right now, usually around 22, but we're down at 20 right now.
All right, so Eric said that he's been 5th.
27.8.
27.8, that's good for 5th place overall. That felt good. 27.5, hell yeah, woo! That's awesome, man. I'm your good luck charm. You should have been taking me all day.
Thank you.
Awesome. Definitely in full control of the car. That felt pretty awesome for sure.
All from start to finish in about less than a minute.
Yeah, I was just getting ready to say that was like a minute long. All right, we're gonna get a ride in this gem right here. So apparently this is like one of the first tuned ZR1s, is that right?
Yeah, as far as we know. Got the HB Tuners ECU in it. Put lower pulley and on E85 headers, mid pipe, a few things. Got an extra about 120, 130 horsepower out of it. So about 708 at the wheels, so it's pretty stout. And that was on a Mustang dyno, and it feels like it makes more than that on the track.
Awesome. Brand new ZR1, one of the first ones tuned. And you are what place are you holding right now?
Not really sure. I'm first on the road course. I think we're about 4th on the drag strip and about 4th or 5th overall.
Dude, this thing is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Let's freaking make it happen, man. All right, Austin, you were saying this thing's got coilovers and you got a JRI sway bar on it as well, is it?
Yeah, we got oversized sway bars front and rear. Like I said, JRI double adjustables front and rear on it. Drop spindles, so kind of all the basic, necessity stuff to get this thing track ready. And then got another 130 horsepower on E85, helps with the cooling. And other than that, I mean, really not a lot done to it compared to a lot of cars here, but we're pretty stout with it. So
what's your place for the day right now?
So we have the 2 autocrosses, one here, one across the parking lot. They combined them both for the autocross side of it. I think we're sitting about 4th or 5th overall right now, and there's been about 150 or so cars that have ran, so
awesome.
Feel pretty good about that.
Hell yeah, man. This car has been not only a beauty to watch, you could tell it was fast. I didn't know how fast, I figured it was towards the top, but man,
yeah,
it looks good. Done. And what's your best ET so far?
Over here, we're a 27.41 right now.
All right.
Need to be about a high 26 to put us in the top 2 or 3, so that's what we're aiming for.
I like how this guy started his entry a little bit different already.
Yeah.
That's clever. Dang. 2692 on that twin turbo 69. Huh? I don't think you'd ever get justice to what that was like. That's your new best?
New best.
All right. I'm telling you, I'm worth traction, man. The 2 cars I've ridden in, they're the best of the days.
It's that right side weight we need for all these right turns.
You know, next time I could probably lean into it a little bit more here. It helps in a go-kart, you know?
We'll get the sidecar effect going. Start hanging out the window.
And she is sweet. Oh, I like it, man. Guys, this is Jared. We got a 1,000 horsepower 6th gen Camaro. So twin turbo?
Yeah, twin Borg Warner EFR 7163.
So you get methanol injection too, huh?
Yeah, dual nozzle.
Oh, you can definitely tell she's got some power. Man, it's hard to stay still. Just hazing that wheel there.
That's my fastest by.
Dude, I have been in 4 cars, and 3 of those 4 cars have run their best times all day.
You are a good luck charm.
I am a good luck charm, that's all there is to it.
No question.
I think I'm just providing more traction. 180 pounds of good ballast in the right place, it's all the difference in the world, man.
Thank you.
This gentleman is going to enter the Burnout Competition, and yesterday, you did what?
We did a flip on the big jump in the off-road, and if you look, came over the top here, this dented in.
Oh man.
This actually dented in and hit my head, and so I'm a little out of it from that, so that's why I didn't race today.
LS1 with the torque stroller and blowers.
We're making about 13 pounds boost.
Hell
so,
yeah. I want to hear your strategy here.
So the strategy, of course, we're going to light up the rear tires.
The rears.
We practiced a little bit last night, and we're good there. And then once those are gone, we'll change the transfer case to the front. We'll light up the front.
Front tire burnout.
Yes.
I like your style. Usually in the Burnout Competition, you either have to make some sort of wall tap, you have to have a pop, you have to have something that's darn near freaking carnage, something a little bit crazy. I like your style though. That's a little outside the box. No one else can do that. That's I think that's a good winning strategy. So let's see what's gonna happen, man.
This guy gets down. The slow burn. Yeah. Yeah, brother, let him eat. I like this guy's style a lot.
Open. Look at this guy.
Oh, brother, don't fall out. guy's getting
That
after
tire
it.
has
There he
come
goes.
off the ground.
Keep it going, man. Damn! Oh, brother! Stay there! Yeah! Oh my God! He's a savage! This is very dangerous! Very dangerous! Oh! Hell yeah! The guy on the bike's not done! Yeah, stay right there! Yeah! Oh my God! Alright, these guys are getting way too dangerous on us.
Definitely secret weapon.
Holy
That was
hell.
crazy. Look at this thing. All right, there's been some crazy burnouts. I'm betting on this guy right here. You got this, man. Come on. I seen you do a burnout yesterday. You freaking killed it, man. Do it.
You got them twin Turkskis, is that right?
I heard you got a car that looks a lot like my truck.
Yeah, I heard you got a truck that looks a lot like my car. Damn, bro. What size turbos are these?
GT45.
The GT45s. Hell yeah, dude. All right, man. Well, let's see you burn some tires. Keep them lit, brother. Come on. Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, he's got a Mountain Dew. He's got a Mountain Dew. Yeah.
Yesterday.
Oh.
Dude, this thing right here, I saw this guy do a burnout yesterday and it was unfreaking believable, man. So look, all right, you're gonna be my new favorite. Come on, you got this. You got this. All right, some of y'all might call this sacrilegious. This is like a what the hell idea. Wow. This thing is freaking nuts, man. Dang. This is freaking nuts, man. Tell me about it. What size motor is it?
349 cubic inch LS1.
And what turbo you got on that thing, man?
Precision 76.
Dude, it is so... And 100 shot.
They are going to have 1 minute to destroy all the tire they humanly possibly can, okay?
I like the sound
1
of that.
minute. Look at that tire start. Listen to the turbo, baby.
So guys, thanks for tagging along. I had so much fun in Las Vegas. It was a hell of an experience, and it was quite humbling with all the support that I got from all of you guys that came and visited us and got merchandise and just wanted to come by and say hi and shake a hand. It was definitely humbling. I had a great time. Everybody was so welcoming. Fantastic time. If you guys ever get a chance to go out at any LS Fest events, do it. It is freaking awesome. All sorts of crazy stuff. Looking forward to trying to hit up a lot of streetcar takeover events. Look forward to seeing you guys out there. Guys, thanks for watching. God bless you. We'll see you soon.
God.